Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth tech reviews. Today, we've got something that's sure to turbocharge your desktop experience: the Silicon Power Value Gaming DDR4 RAM. But before we dive into this lightning-fast RAM, do us a favor. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Alright, let's talk about what makes the Silicon Power Value Gaming DDR4 RAM a game-changer. This RAM is designed to unlock your computer's true potential. With speeds of up to 3200 MHz, it's like giving your PC a shot of adrenaline. What's even better is that it supports Intel Coffee Lake processors and Intel Extreme Memory Profile standards. That means it's not just fast, it's optimized for performance. Now, I know what you're thinking: with great power comes great heat. But fear not. This RAM comes equipped with an aluminum heatsink that not only keeps it cool but also adds a touch of style to your setup. Here's another win. This RAM runs at a low voltage of just 1.35 volts. That means it's not only efficient at heat dissipation but also easy on your power bill. So, what can you do with all this power? Well, the possibilities are endless. Render in higher resolutions, enjoy realistic graphics, and bid farewell to lag and choppy animations. Multitask like a pro, browse unlimited tabs. This RAM has got your back. Silicon Power's X-Power Gaming DDR4 RAM is your ticket to a smoother, faster, and more confident computing experience. It meets Intel Extreme Memory Profile standards, making it incredibly easy to maximize your computer's speed. And let's not forget about that sleek blue heatsink. It's not just for show, it's a work of art. Plus, it keeps your RAM cool even during those marathon gaming sessions. The only thing sharper than that heatsink is your gaming skills. But here's the real kicker. This RAM doesn't just boost performance, it's energy efficient. With improved heat dissipation, it ensures your computer runs at lower temperatures for greater stability and a longer hardware lifespan. And the best part? You're covered by a lifetime warranty. That's right. Silicon Power stands behind their product with a promise of complete service and technical support. So, if you're ready to level up your desktop experience, the Silicon Power Value Gaming DDR4 RAM is your secret weapon. Check out the link in the description below to get yours today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Until next time, stay tech savvy and stay ahead of the game.